Will you read it to me?
The cat on a hat. And it was running. Stars. And forest day and stayed and laid in a baby. And there. You wake me up.
Katie, is it time to wake up? Wake up, please.
Is it bright? Because I need to wake up.
Actually, it's dark.
Actually, it's dark. I need to be awake. Is it dark?
It's almost time to go to bed.
Cat on a hat. Cat on a hat got umbrella. Ooh, he got an umbrella. Ooh. Look at my face. Ooh. And cat on a hat needs a big hug, so he can leave. Okay?
Okay.
You give cat on a hat a hug, 'cause he's here. Okay? He's up. He's mushing your mommy.
Oh, he's smushing me? Oh no.
Cat on a hat is mushing you.
Tell him to get off of me.
You get off of you. Mommy. He got off of it.
Thank you.
And move. Okay? No, you. Let me show you. There you come in. There. He's not right here.
Oh, okay, so I can sit right here?
You give him a hug. You give Cat on a hug.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, cat in a hat.
You give him a hug.
You get up. And you tell me to get.
Okay, I will get up, and then, Katie, you give the cat in the hat a hug.
I love his head on his hat.
Aww.
I love you, Cat on a hat. I miss you.
Aww.
Cat on a hat. I'm going to get it's with me. Watch me do a somersault.
I don't think you have room right there.
Huh?
Do it over here.
Maybe on my bed.
Boom.
Neat. A caterpillar.
Are you being a caterpillar?
This is a caterpillar.
Are you sure?
I'm holding the caterpillar.
Don't let it bite you.
Caterpillars don't bite.
He's going to bite you.
Ouch! Oh, what a biting caterpillar.
He's going to bite you, Mommy.
Oh no.
Ow.
Ow, 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 ow. He's gonna eat you up.
He's not going to eat Daddy socks. Not
Caterpillar, you go to time out for biting people.
You go take time out of this stuff.